Okay, today I'm going to show you how to easily make a cute little bunny cake. I know most of you probably already know how to make one, but just in case someone doesn't, I wanted to show you because I make these every year. I grew up having them, my mom made them, and they're so much fun. So basically what you're going to do, I'm going to use pancakes because that's what I'm using for breakfast, and I like to make bunny cakes with this pancakes too. But you would take 2 round cake pans and bake them. So you're gonna come out with 2 round circle cakes. And then all you're gonna do is this one cake, or in this case a pancake, will be the face of the bunny, and then the other round cake will be the accessories. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, the second little circle, and you're gonna cut ears. So I'm using the pizza cutter because it's easier with a pancake, obviously. And then you're gonna cut the second ear and just make a little ear shapes. So you're left with 3 pieces. See? So these 2, let me scoot up a little bit, will become the ears, and this middle will become the bow tie. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? You get a little bunny with ears and a bow tie. And again, all it was is 3 pieces out of a circle cake pan. Cut it like that and make an Easter bunny. Now, if you wanted to easily make that a doggy, all you would do is put the ears down and you have a puppy dog. Isn't that so cute? So I hope that helps you, and I hope you enjoy making your Easter bunny cake or pancakes this year like I will.